Welcome guys, my name is Khalid, and today in this video I am going to show you how to create a beautiful horizontal menu using HTML and CSS. So please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, click on the like button. Thank you for your support. Now let's start with the code. I am going to create two files. The first file will be the index.html. The second file will be the style.css. Now let's do the normal HTML tags. So I am using image, that's why it shows like that. We will also need to link a CSS font icons. So I will go to Google, then I will type simple line icons, CDN, this URL, then I will go here and copy this style. I will back to my code editor, then I will link it. So here, like that. Then I will link my style.css. Okay, I guess now everything is ready. Let's try if the style is working. Then I will do class, icons, icon, people. I will go to the demo. I am using live server, so you can type in Google how to install live server terminal. Okay, so this is the result. The font is working. Okay, now let's go back to the Google. Then we'll remove the CDN and go to this line. Okay, so this is the documentation of the icon style. So I type people and it will appear this. This is all the icons. Now let's back to the code editor. So let's remove this and add the div element with the menu class. Inside it there is a UL element, then an LI. Inside LI there is a href. Okay, so let's duplicate this like that, I guess. So let's add some text here. So home, maybe. Let's do dashboard, users, pages, orders, categories, messages, maybe settings, and maybe logout. Okay, let's add here the icons. So something like that, class icons, icon, minus home. Let's copy this and paste it here like that. Okay, now let's go to the icons and see if there is a home. Okay, speed, let's do this icon for dashboard. Here let's do people. Let's see if there is copy. So I will find some icons here, organization, and I will back to you. Okay, so this is the final code. As you see, I changed the icons here, so you can type them like that. Now we will go to see the result. So this is the result. Let's back to our code editor and do some styling. Let's do a body element with background. Let's say D0, D6, and DF. Okay. Let's change the font. So we will go to Google and type font, Google font. This is the link. Let's search. I like this font, Railway. Okay, this is it. So let's add the 400 is better, and the 700. I don't like this. Okay, let's click in embed and then copy this link. So we'll go to our code editor and paste it here. Let's go to see the result. So there is no result here. So we will do the font family, Railway, save. Okay, so the font has been changed. Let's say if we change the white, the font white from normal to 17. I guess the 14 will be better. Sorry, I mean the 400. Now let's add the menu class with background white. Sorry. Let's add a display here. Let's say display table. Okay. Border reduce 10 pixel maybe. Let's add more. 16. Maybe this is better. Let's add box shadow. 0. Let's say 6 pixel, and here let's say 14 pixel with the RGBA color. Let's add 0, so the black RGBA. 0. Let's say 0.3. Let's change it to 2. I guess this is better. Maybe 15. Okay. Let's define the UL element. So menu UL element. List style. Sorry, list style none. The padding is 0. Now let's define the LI element. Okay. LI element. Then let's define the anchor elements inside LI. Okay, let's do this color. Okay, then text decoration none. Okay, let's add some space in here. Let's add display block. Let's add some spacing, padding. 8 pixel 16 from left and right. Let's add here 24. I guess will be better. Okay, so let's change the width from here to 2000. Okay, I guess this is better. Okay, let's get off or remove something from here. Maybe we will remove the orders, or let's remove one. Okay, because of the tutorial spacing. Now let's define the E element inside A or anchor. Let's give it the margin right 6 pixel or maybe 8. Nice. Let's change the color to maybe this, or let's see this. Okay, let's change the color from the cancel. I guess better. Okay, let's go with this color. Okay, let's change the white. Let's say 700 pixel. Okay, I guess now better. Let's add some styling here. So the UL, LI, then let's say NTH type. Let's go with the 2. So we will select only the 2 element, or the second element. Let's add a border bottom. Let's say 2 pixels solid, and let's go with the body color. Let's save and see the result. Okay, maybe if we change it to this. Okay, I guess this is better. Now let's do the same, but for the last element. So last of type, but border top. Sorry. Okay, now it's better. Let's add a hover touch for the A element. So let's copy and paste this and add hover here. Then background, let's say this color. Okay, I guess this is better. Let's try to add some margin here. Margin 3 pixel from top and bottom. Okay, I guess now is better. let's do a transition, sorry, of 0.3. Let's see, okay, maybe this is better. So now we will add here a position relative to do a touch for the orders maybe, or categories maybe. Okay, let's do it for the categories. Now we will go to the categories here, like that, and then we will add class drop maybe, or drop down, and we will go to define this dropped class. So let's copy and paste this and see dot dropped. Okay, and let's add the before element for the before. Let's do content. Okay, the content will be from the font, so I will go, I guess, with this, or maybe the arrow. So aspect element, then I will copy the font name from here and paste it here. Then I will go to the before and I will copy this code. So let's see if it works. Okay, as you see, there is this arrow. Let's do a position absolute. Then right is this 12 pixel, and let's change the size to 12 pixel. Let's change the top to 8 pixel, maybe 12. Okay, this is better. Let's add more from the right, so 24, or maybe just 18. Okay, now it's better. Let's add a UL element here, then li, then anchor, then class icons, icon minus. So the categories we will find them from the line icons, so maybe we will go with the directions. So let's hide this. Let's duplicate for time maybe. Let's go with map. Maybe this. Smile. And the last one, it will be this. Let's see our result. So as you see, this is the result. Okay, now let's add some styling. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Then UL, position absolute. Okay, then left this 220. Then background, let's say white. Okay, so let's copy this style from the menu. And remove the display from here. Okay, so nice. Now let's change the left to this. Okay. Top to 0. Sorry, something wrong. So we will need to do the position relative in the li. Okay. Now it is better. So let's change left to maybe this. Okay. Let's add padding. So 12 pixel to 0. Okay. Now let's change the arrow from the element. So here li, then a, then before, then content. Let's say none. Okay. Let's copy that and do more styling. So let's go with the A, background, white. Okay. Let's add the hover touch. When we hover here, the background will change to this. Okay, so now let's hide this, and when we hover to this categories, this will appear. So we will go to the UL here and add visibility to hidden and opacity to 0 and add transition 0.3 second. Nice. Now let's add the hover here. So when we hover to this element, the UL will be like that. So let's copy this and do it here visible. Then let's remove this. Okay, so let's see. As you see, when we hover to categories, now this will appear. Okay, now let's change the border from here. Let's see when or where we did the border. So in LI element. So let's do that and do border 0. Okay, nice. Let's add a transition here. So we will do copy that and change it to maybe this 160 and go here and do this. Now let's see. Okay, as you see, it's come from the left. So this is our tutorial for today. Please, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you for your watching.